I'm Leesha, and today we're going to be trying all of the new Starbucks holiday drinks and seeing which one is the best and maybe which one is not so much the best. Stick around to the end of this video because we're going to compare my oat milk version of the new Sugar Cookie Almond Milk Latte, see which one's better, and I'll be giving you my recipe. I've always loved trying Starbucks new drinks, so much so that I've made my own copycats of their cold brew and their pumpkin cream cold brew, and I've even made a unicorn frappuccino inspired look. Spoiler alert, the drink was disgusting. In my most recent Starbucks video, we ranked all of the fall drinks, but today we're gonna do things a little different. I've already made my own copycat of the new Sugar Cookie Almond Milk Latte, and we're going to see if the one that I made is better and cheaper than what Starbucks has to offer. I know we're all dying to know the results of which one is the best, so let's get right into it. We're gonna start with the newest for this lineup. I don't think they've released this one before, and that is the Sugar Cookie Almond Milk Lattes. So we have it in cold and we have it in hot. I'm gonna try the hot one first. I mean, it's definitely good. It tastes like a latte. It just has, they clearly have almond extract in it. I'm getting a lot of the sugar cookie aspect. It definitely tastes good. Let's see if this one is any different. Oh, that's really watery. I gotta mix it. Does it look like it's settled? Ooh. This looks like a fancy stirry thingy because I think it's got a bunch of like stuff on the bottom and that might be why it tastes so watery. Shit. And I'm spilling more drink. That does not taste good. This is watery. I just don't love almond milk, honestly. I've like changed my ways. I drink oat milk mainly. This tastes really watery. The hot one tastes a lot better. And usually I'm someone who likes cold drinks more. So I would say that the iced sugar cookie latte, I would give it probably a 6 out of 10. And the hot one, surprisingly, I would give that 7.5 to an 8 out of 10. It's actually really good and I could see myself drinking this regularly. It's really yummy. Pew. So next up, we're going to try the Peppermint Mocha. I've had the Peppermint Mocha in the past and I think it's good. I don't even actually remember, it's been so long. I've had it though. This is good. This is like a York peppermint patty in liquid form. This definitely like, it's one of those things where it immediately puts you like in holiday mode. Kind of like when I had the pumpkin spice latte, I know I was like, oh my God, it's fall. This is, oh my God, it's Christmas time. This is a classic. I'm sure you've had it before. It's not a new one. Definitely worth getting if you like mint and chocolate together. I would give it, I don't know, an 8 out of 10. Right here, sorry. Next up, this is the one that I'm really excited about. This is the toasted white mocha. I don't know if you guys have ever had caramelized white chocolate, but it is literally so incredibly amazing. And I know that that's what this is gonna be like, so I'm really excited. Well, boop, boop, boop. I just hear like the Price is Right music going on in my head. It tastes like a white mocha. It really doesn't taste any different. I don't taste the toasted. Now, that being said, a white mocha is really good. So I still like it. I feel like all of these are in the like, it's not bad at all. So this, I would give this a 7 out of 10. Well, no, 6.5. This one is good, but it's not reminding me of anything different than a regular white mocha. So I'm gonna put it right here. Next up, we're going to do the Chestnut Praline. I don't think I've had this one. What is praline is like pecans, isn't it? What is praline?
Praline is a form of confection containing, at a minimum, culinary nuts, usually almonds and hazelnuts and sugar.
No pecans. And chestnuts, which I also don't know if I've ever had. Okay, have you ever walked into a holiday store? They have those bundles of pine cones that have all of the smells on it. This tastes like that. It's like I'm walking into a Michael's and getting smacked in the face with one of those scented pine cone bags, which smells great, but I don't want to eat it. So I'm gonna put that at the end of our ranking and give it probably a 4 out of 10. Next, we have the Caramel Brulee, I think? Carb roll. The carb roll. I feel like the kombucha girl right now. I'm like, well, it tastes kind of like a caramel latte, but it's got a burnt, and that's the brulee part. It's got like a burnt part to it that I'm not loving. It's like a weird aftertaste. It's like a weird burnt aftertaste. And I know that that's the brulee part, which in theory sounds good. It's really creamy, but then you have that and it balances it. This doesn't have the balance. It's just coffee, which is already kind of bitter, with burnt sugar. I'm gonna put it I'm gonna put it above the iced sugar cookie. I almost wanna like, they're equally terrible. I don't like that. Okay, and then the last one we have here is the Irish cream cold brew. Now, I really like the cream cold brews that they do, like the pumpkin cream cold brew. Irish cream though, I'm not, like I've had it before, but I'm not ultra familiar with it. So we'll see, what is on top of here? I think it's cocoa probably, is that what goes with Irish cream? I don't know how I feel. I need to try just the cream. No, that, I don't like that. It reminds me of how like chocolate scented candles are. They don't smell like chocolate. They smell bad, at least to me. Something is weird about it. Maybe if it was mixed more. Okay, when it's mixed, it just tastes like it's not as bad. It was when it was just the cream that it's really strong, but I don't think it's great either. I'm gonna say it's not as good as the white chocolate mocha, but it's better than the sugar cookie one. This, we got two. This is the sugar plum cheese Danish. I can't imagine this is bad. What is sugar plum? Like, is that actually a thing or is it like a nutcracker thing? It just tastes like jam, like apricot jam.
A sugar plum can be a piece of draggy or hard candy made of hardened sugar in a small round or oval shape. Plum, in the name of this confection, does not always mean plum in the sense of the fruit of the same name, but commonly refers to a small size and spherical or oval shape.
It's funny because I didn't even put together the plum aspect. Like my brain didn't even visualize a plum. This tastes great. It tastes like a good cheese Danish with like a little bit of jam on top. I can't complain. There's very few of the Starbucks pastries that I don't like. So here is the ranking. In first place, tied for first place, is the Peppermint Mocha and the hot Sugar Cookie Almond Milk Latte. If you're gonna get the Sugar Cookie Almond Milk Latte, God, that's so many words, get it hot. It is so much better than the iced. Next up is the Toasted White Mocha, and then we have the Irish Cream Cold Brew, tied for fifth. 1, 2, 3. Tied for fifth, we have the Caramel Brulee Latte with the iced Sugar Cookie Almond Milk Latte. And then in last place, I never want to try it again, is the Chestnut Praline Latte. In the beginning of this video, I did tell you that I was going to show you and compare the iced Sugar Cookie Almond Milk Latte to my version, so we're going to do that right now. We're gonna start with the Sugar Cookie one, which we all know I'm not a huge fan of. It just tastes super watery. It has like a little bit of like an almondiness, I guess, because it is almond milk. Oh my God, leaps, bounds, years. I can't even tell you how much better this is. I'm going to make PJ try both of them too so that he can validate this, so that I'm not just like toot my own horn here, but oh my God, so much better. And the great thing about making it yourself is that you get to control how sweet or how not sweet it is. And also, like, I can't talk enough praise about oat milk. Changing my life, it's so amazing. If you wanna know how to make this version yourself, I've already made and uploaded a video for it right here. Seriously, go watch it, it's so easy, anybody can make it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. I could feel myself spitting during that.